Hello and welcome to our lecture on area charts in Python. Let's dive straight into it. We've already imported the relevant libraries for this lecture. They are pandas for data manipulation, as well as matplotlib and seaborn for visualization. That means we're ready to proceed with loading the data. Let's create a new data frame called df fuel engine types. Surely nothing can go wrong with using the pandas capabilities and the read CSV method and read the stacked area chart CSV file. Good job. We then call the df fuel engine types and see what it contains. As expected, it looks identical to our CSV file. There are 5 columns in total, the first column showing the year. The second through fifth columns represent the number of car listings according to their engine types. We have petrol, diesel, gas, and other. Okay, we're ready to display this data frame in the form of a stacked area chart. Fortunately, Python already has a stacked area function to help us with that. So all we need to do is call the stackplot method from the matplotlib pyplot. For our chart, we'd prefer to have the years on the x-axis. The first parameter is the x-axis, which is years. The following arguments will be the categories we want to stack. As we do not have any prior knowledge of what the other category represents, we'll leave it out for now, which means we're left with the diesel, petrol, and gas columns. plt.show, and let's execute the cell. Amazing! That's all it takes to create a stacked area chart with matplotlib. Now, what's left to do is some chart formatting. We begin by increasing the size of the plot, and this time we select a 12 by 6 figure. The reason is we third and last, we have number EF2026 for gas, which is a pinkish red color. We can proceed by setting the color arguments to our colors list. Let's see our new and improved chart. Superb! Only a small detail while we're still on color. The border color separating each area is white. Though small, it is still noticeable, particularly with these dark colors. We can remove it by adding an extra argument, edge color, and setting it to none. Cool. The next step is to include a legend. For any chart with more than one category, this is a necessary element, and since matplotlib doesn't automatically create the legend, we'll have to walk the extra mile. Don't worry, it pays off. To add a legend, let's first add the label's names in a new variable called labels. Let's make it a list and add the fuel type names diesel, as is. However, in this instance, a white color background would be more fitting, especially with our new colors. Let's add the Seaborn style white to create a white background. Apart from white, here you're free to select white grid or dark style, among other styles. Let's see the final result. Excellent! Now this looks like a presentation-ready chart. We learned that creating a stacked area chart is no hassle with the help of the matplotlib and Seaborn libraries. Thanks for watching, and see you in the interpretation lecture.